Are you thinking of selling your property? If you are, don't forget about capital gains tax. Capital gains tax, or CGT, is a tax that is charged on profits made from sale of your property. As at the time of making this video, this is 15% of the profits that you make. You can calculate the amount payable by taking the sales price, deduct the cost of purchase, and then you pay 15% on whatever remains. However, you can lower the amount payable by deducting any cost that you have incurred in developing the property that you've sold. So if you are selling a house and you incurred property paying a real estate agent, doing repairs on the house, advertising the house, you can deduct that, and then whatever remains, you pay 15% to the government. There are various exceptions, like if you are selling a property that is under 3 million shillings, you don't need to pay stamp duty. And if you want to know the other different exceptions, please follow us for more as we keep giving you these real estate tips on a weekly basis.